2, Cristinelli Jimenez, Troop S3, Ina Judas Arabis, Troop S4, Jenny Des Militante, Troop S5, Major Leader Fiona Landameo, DLC Leader Gabriel A. Biagan, CTP Alpha Company Commander Jeremiah G. Salcedo, CTP Alpha Company XO Justine Jacob Punesto, First Platoon Leader Boys J. Denver Madriaga, Second Platoon Leader Boys Romeo Santuito, CTP Bravo Company Commander Nicole C. Mendez, CTP Bravo Company XO Janica Pagayawa, First Platoon Leader Kate Justin Serrano, Second Platoon Leader Girls Lynn Erich Borobia, School Head Genevieve D. Sabine, CTP Mapper Facilitator Jonathan Pahanini, Major Coordinator Marlon S. Avila, DSLC DLC Coordinator Dominic Artino, entry number 19, San Agustin Integrated School, San Agustin, Libon, Albay. Thank you. Entry number 19, San Agustin Integrated School, San Agustin, Libon, Albay. Next entry. Entry number 20,